Good morning, everybody. This is Joe talking about concrete today. I have so many people that I'll go to and see something like this, or maybe not quite as bad, but have cracks in their driveway or a sidewalk, and it looks unsightly, and they're trying to get it repaired. And I usually give them an answer they are not crazy about. I go, I can't do anything other than take it out and report, which is an expensive proposition sometimes. But I've had so many people ask me, well, can't you put anything over it? I'm going to show you a couple pictures of why that really doesn't work. Here is one where they've had some other cracks or whatever, and they've tried to put a coating, if you will, or some sort of plaster-like material over the top of it. There's one picture of it. Here's another picture, and I think, quite frankly, this might be the best, where you see where there's this coating that they've tried to put over the top of this. It may look good for a few days or a few months, but eventually, through time and weather and all the stuff that breaks down rock and everything else, you'll have this happen pretty fast. So when you're looking at trying to avoid or try to keep from having this kind of unsightly thing, essentially, I think the best thing is to take it. It's easy for me to spend your money, but the best thing is to take it out and report, so that you don't have something here shortly that starts looking even worse. So, appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.